we're making tripod that has only one pod, but oh shit, that's it. Some screws. We should like put more screws there. So oh shit. So like when we're gonna put some strings on it, it's gonna stabilize the phone. Here, like so. Calculator, like case. We made holes with a welding torch. So for safety reasons, we're just going to burn the wood first of all for aesthetic and for safety reason, because if you see there's some termite hole, so that's quite dangerous. Shit. You saw nothing, bro. So I left to buy rubber bands. For the. So I came back to this. Stop watching my ass. Perfect. That's going to be perfect. So we finally like managed to stabilize it. We can take it. It's working. Yes. Lift it up. No. No, but not again. It's gonna break. I mean it works. Screw here. Thing here. Thing, yeah. Thing. So it's not the final result, but I mean, it should work. Yeah, should. If we just put it there, the phone is just going to be like. Look, it's that one is a high like this, and that one is a high like this. Why we've got some rubber. Oh yeah. Show the sign. Yeah. For marketing reasons. We're really fucking poor. So please subscribe. So yeah, that's it. That's a one pod. Well, actually it's three pod. Yeah, actually it's three pod. But 1, 2, 3. But initially it's a one pod. We wanted to use it in dirt. We wanted to make a spike here. We thought that like if we film concrete or things harder than I mean just yeah, if it's not dirt. Oh shit, dude! I don't want to pick it up, man. Huh? I don't want to pick it up. Money. Yes. We need. Bro, you're gonna break it. Shit. Yeah, that's the tool we use the most in our videos. Well, anyways, it's not working because it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not a knot. It's again. It's not hot enough. Yeah, thank you, Emric. Stop watching it. I know you're gonna watch it. It's so disgusting. So after we do some knock. So after we done this, look, it's perfect. It's beautiful, right? For another video. Yeah. Film? Okay. It's terrible. No, bro, it's working.